So it's 10 to 8 and we're just after having breakfast. We're after checking into the hotel last night, got all settled in, done a bit of exploring. Now today, this video, I'm hoping this video is fully dedicated just for the White Temple in Chiang Rai. It looks so stunning from the photos. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. It's just so much detailed artwork. I haven't actually been there. I've only seen the photos, but we're going to go there shortly. We've got a private day tour to go to White Temple, Blue Temple, Black House and many other places. So it's going to be a fun-filled, interesting day, and I'm going to be wrecked by the end of it. So that's going to be a separate video, I think. On everything else, little clips from the White Temple, but this one here is dedicated fully for the White Temple. It might be a 5-minute video only because it looks small enough and I might go in, but yeah, we'll see how today goes, so stay tuned. Wat Rong Khun, better known as the White Temple, is a privately owned art exhibit in the style of a Buddhist temple in Chiang Rai. Okay. In Chiang Rai. It is owned by Shalarmachai Kositpat. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, I am terribly sorry. Who designed, constructed and built this temple here and opened it to the public in 1997. Very interesting. Let's go get some detailed shots, shall we? I love the intricate details that are just portrayed all over here. Like the fine, you can just see like the little craftsmanship. Each little bit is just inch by inch. This place was built, just fantastic, and it glows in the light. You can see it shimmer. It's beautiful. I'm very happy to have come to the White Temple, even if it is a little bit out of the way. I'm very happy to have completed this task. I hope you enjoyed this too. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like and share.